If you want to know how to delete a blur filter in GIMP, the first thing to understand is that GIMP usually applies filters directly to the pixels of your image. That means in many cases, you can't just click a blur and remove it later like it's a separate layer effect. So the key is acting quickly, or working in a non-destructive way if you planned ahead. In this video, I'll show you the best ways to remove blur in GIMP, whether you just applied it a few steps ago, or saved the file and came back later. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this one. Let's jump in. The fastest way to remove a blur in GIMP is to undo it immediately. If the blur was the last thing you did, just press Ctrl+Z on Windows or Linux, or Command+Z on Mac. You can also go up to the top menu, click Edit, and then choose Undo. This will instantly reverse the blur and bring your image back to the previous state. This is the easiest method, but it only works if you catch it right away. Once you keep editing after the blur, undo becomes more limited. If the blur was applied a few steps ago, you may still be able to recover your image using the Undo History panel. To do that, go to Windows, then Dockable Dialogues, and then click Undo History. A list of your recent actions will appear. Find the step directly before the blur filter was applied and click it. GIMP will roll your project back to that point. Just keep in mind that everything you did after the blur will also be removed, so make sure you're okay with losing those later edits. This method is very useful when you realize the blur was a mistake, but not right away. Now, if you worked non-destructively and the blur is on its own layer, you're in a much better position. In that case, open your Layers panel. If you don't see it, you can usually press Ctrl+L to bring it up. Look for the layer that contains the blurred version of your artwork. If you only want to hide it temporarily, click the eye icon next to that layer. That will turn the blur off without deleting anything. If you want to remove it completely, right-click the blurred layer and choose Delete Layer. This is the cleanest way to get rid of blur if you duplicated the image or used separate layers before applying the effect. But what if you already saved the file, closed GIMP, and came back later? In that case, the undo history is usually gone. That means you cannot truly delete the blur filter because the original pixel data has already been changed. GIMP does not keep a removable filter stack for most basic edits the way some non-destructive editors do. So at this point, your best option is not removal, but correction. You can try sharpening the image to reduce the appearance of blur. To do that, go to Filters, then Enhance, and then choose Sharpen or Unsharp Mask if you want more control. Carefully adjust the radius and amount sliders. A small radius usually works better for fine detail, while the amount controls how strong the sharpening effect will be. The goal is to restore edge clarity without creating too much noise, halos, or harsh texture. This won't perfectly reverse every blur, but it can improve a soft image enough to make it look much better. The most important takeaway is this. If you want to be able to remove blur later, you should always keep a backup layer or duplicate your image before applying filters. That way, you can hide, delete, or replace the blurred version anytime. It's a simple habit that saves a lot of frustration, especially when you're editing logos, portraits, product shots, or any image where detail matters. So to quickly recap, if the blur was just applied, use Undo. If it happened a few steps back, open Undo History. If it's on a separate layer, hide or delete that layer. And if the file was already saved and closed, sharpen the image as a workaround. If this video helped you learn how to delete a blur filter in GIMP, please give it a like, subscribe for more GIMP tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.